Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you to set up your own Discord server from scratch, so the basic one. And if you haven't already created a Discord account, please check my other video to help you create a Discord account. I'll leave the link in the description below. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and also to hit that bell icon for more videos. To make your own server, just go to see the left side of your Discord on your screen, and you can see a plus button and which says add a server. Click there. Okay, and it will show you some templates for from your its default ones, and you can create your own server. For this video's purpose, we'll be creating our own server, so let's create my own server. And for me and my friends, will it be okay? Let's rename it. Okay, our server, and hit enter. After you have created the server, let's set it up. And once you make your server, you are gonna be greeted with a welcoming gesture, and at the left side you can see the general text channel over here and a general voice channel over here. So firstly, let's make some channel by clicking the plus button. And firstly, we'll be making some general channels. We are going to make a welcome channel at first. Let's create it, and let's create a text channel first for welcoming the people who want to be in your server. Okay, and create channel. And let's make another channel for announcement channel, in which you can make your announcement. Okay, let's hit announcements. Okay, and after that, let's add a rules channel to put all your rules in. Rules channel. Okay, as we have set it up. Next, we're going to make a couple of different moderator and admin chats, so that they can chat. Admins and your moderators get separately without getting disturbed by your members. Okay, let's admin chats. Okay, create it. And okay, let's create another one for moderators chat. Okay, let's create that channel. Next, we are going to make some video channel for you to share your videos to. And let's make a video channel on the text channel, videos. Okay, and let's add a live stream channel for showing all your live streams too, from gaming to anything. Live stream. Okay, let's create a channel. And also, let's make a channel for memes, just for fun, in the server and people to share memes. Okay, let's hit the meme channel. Okay, come on that. Okay, let's create that channel. And okay, and now I think it's enough of the text channels, because you can add your separate channels on the basis of your needs. We are only setting up a basic server, so I'll be only creating the basic server, and you can always add your preferred channels later on. And now we are gonna do some voice channels. Make sure you select the voice channel while doing this. Okay, let's make a game channel at first. Okay, and let's go to game chat, game. Okay, let's create again chat room number 1, so that if anybody in your server wants to play games and they have a place to talk, so let's make it 3 game channels. Okay, and let's create it in case many people want to play games on the server. Okay, game chat 1, game chat 0, game chat 1, and let's make another one, game chat 2. There will be 3 rooms for game chat. Okay, and let's make a music channel too, so that people can share your music, share their preferred music when. Okay, let's make a music channel. Music, that shall also be a voice channel. Okay, let's create that channel. And now let's organize our server by categorizing the channels. And to that, right click anywhere on the blank area of the left side, and let's do it. Let's categorize our channels. Okay, let's create a category like this, and let's make a welcome category first. The welcome category, welcome welcome and create category, and let's drag and drop our welcome channel to our welcome category and the rules channel. That's all we are going to put in our welcome category. At first, let's just drag and drop our welcome and the rules channel in the welcome category. Okay, and the rules. Okay, and let's make another category for home. This is the category where you share all your videos and live stream and your announcements. So I'm gonna put all in this category. So let's call this alias home, and let's drag and drop all those channels and create a category. Let's create it, home. Remember guys, this is the place where you share most of your videos, live streams, memes as well. The home should be a little fun. These things are getting organized a little bit, and now let's organize the categories from top to bottom on the basis of where we want the people to be, from the start to the end. Let's first drag and drop our home category. So first thing, when anybody enters to our server, they see the welcome room and then the home room. Okay, and then let's drag this welcome to the top, and then these general text channels can be where they are, because it has admin chats and moderator chats as well. Let's drag the announcement to our home, the live stream. Now you know how to create voice channels and text channels. Okay guys, this is how you can set up server, a well looking, a good managed server in Discord. And if you want to spice up your channel, you can see overview over here by clicking the settings button on your channel like this. And live stream, you can change the channel name, change the channel topic, and archive after 24 hours inactivity. You can see those options, and you can know here are some integrations, create webhook and learn more, and your invites, over your permission. If you don't want somebody to be on the chat of anybody, you can just change some permissions over here. And okay, this is okay guys, this is it. This is basically how you create a server and organize it. That's it guys, this is this easy to make a server. This is this simple to make set up a server on Discord. And if you want your server to be a little spiced up, then you can do this stuff. You just hit on the edit channel settings. You can see there's the name, general channel name, and if you want to add some emojis, just click the Windows and the period button. That would be full stop, I guess. Two buttons after the M, just hit those and you will be able to pull out the emoji keyboard. You can put your emoji over here, just in case you want to spice up a little bit your channel and your server. Let's hit enter, and okay. Okay, we have used two emojis. Okay, save changes over on the bottom, and you can also put emoji on whichever channel you want to, so that you can a little spice of your server. Okay guys, this is it. This is how you set up a server in Discord and a little spice it up. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Peace.